Hello friends, welcome to Bhagavati Tarot. Those who are new here, I just want to tell you myself. I'm Shikha Thakur, I'm clear audience, medium, I do angel channel readings. I do mediumships also. I'm a Reiki grandmaster. I do the white spell casting. I am a hoodoo read practitioner. So thank you very much for joining this channel. Today what we are going to do here, I'm just going to pick few cards. This is a general reading basically for all of you. Whatever resonates with you, just pick those things. Whatever doesn't resonate, just leave those things, okay? So we are going to see what is the message which is coming from your divine counterpart. What your divine counterpart want to tell you. The divine counterpart could be your twin flame, could be your soulmate, could be a person with whom you are having relationship. So let's see. So I'm just going to pick the cards from feeling, feeling of your divine counterparts, and I'm just going to pick more cards from the tarot to get more clarity on these things. So let's see what are their feelings for you, what they want to tell you. Those who want to join me, you can also, I have attached my link of my Instagram page. It is on the name of Bhagavati Tarot itself, and my WhatsApp number is also there in my description box. Okay, let's see what your people want to tell you. What are the messages coming from your twin flames, your soulmates, your partners? Okay. The more love you give me, the more and more I want it every time. Like it's like your partner always want too much from you, and you are definitely giving too much love to your partner, but still they want your love, your time, your efforts from your sides. So definitely they admire you, they desire you. So now this love needs sacrifice, but I know it will be worth it. So many of you, that's what I am getting up. Like they want too much from you. They want you put 100% efforts, and definitely for doing this thing, for giving them 100% efforts, for giving them time, you are appreciating them, you are loving them, you are giving your 100% efforts to them, and for doing this thing, you are sacrificing many things. You are sacrificing your own happiness, you are sacrificing your own feelings, own time, you are giving those things. Some, I feel some of you are in a relationship in which there is no balance. Like you are doing too much for the person, and even you are doing too much from your side, this person always want more things from you. Like he or she always say you are not giving 100% efforts in this relationship, which hurts you. Still I see that you are doing lots of sacrifice to bring balance in this relationship. Let's pick more card. I want everyday planning, how to steal one extra minute with you. So this person always plan new things. This person always plan new thing to spend time with you. Definitely they are in love with you. It doesn't mean that they don't love you. It means they are high in love to with you. They are in tune with you. But only thing is that sometime it happened that you always give your 100% time and efforts to this person. Still they want to spend more time with you. So this thing is coming up. Let's pick more tarot cards to get more clarity on this thing. Okay. So Tower. So you need to change this habit of doing sacrifices. You need to bring the balance between give and take. Then only this relationship is going to exist, because this person is like over demanding kind of person, and which is hurting you, and you are losing yourself to bring the balance in this relationship. This person is definitely your soulmate and your twin flame. Basically I'm getting an energy of twin flame here. The relation, if you are concerned whether this, I am putting 100% efforts, but you are confused whether this person is the right person. So I feel this person is a twin flame, and this relationship is going to exist for a long time. But only thing is that you need to change your habits. You are doing too much. You need to realize this person that There should be balance between give and take. Okay. And definitely king of scarf again, this person is highly in love with you. This person is very emotional, very sensitive, very caring. Even this person feels sometimes insecure, like you are going to leave this person. He or she always have this insecurity, and due to their insecurity you always trying to bring comfort to them that no, I am with you, you are the only one. And this is what things coming up in this reading, that you need to bring this balance between give and take. You need to send only, just try to give them love. And basically you need to just bring the trust in this relationship. Some old patterns, some old habits need to be released from your life, so that you definitely, some old patterns, it could be related, this person have gone through some kind of emotional trauma in the past life, might past time. It could be related with they have been cheated by their past lovers. Due to that they are always having the insecurity that you are also going to leave them. This is the insecurity coming up in these cards. Once you heal their heart, basically you need to heal their heart, so that they can again trust on love, again they can trust on you. So this is what is coming for this general reading. Hopefully this message resonates with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, whatever resonates, just pick those things. Like and subscribe this channel so that you can get more upcoming videos here. Thank you very much for joining me.